Hi guys, in today's video I'll be talking to you about how to make money selling your photos online. First and first, a cameraman is not defined by the size of the camera or the quality of the high-tech camera he or she is using. There are various websites where you can put up your photographs for sale. Websites like alami.com, foap.com, gettyimage.com, adobestock.com, many more like that. After the account creation, you wait for verification. The verification usually takes up to 24 hours maximum. Then after you've been verified, you receive an email alert. Next thing you have to do is start uploading your pictures, your photographs that you have with you. Now, before I continue, let me remind you, this website, they have people that are working for them. They have the computer algorithm, they have the web managers, and they have professional photographers. Once you upload a particular picture on that website, these people will check. The work of the professional photography rather, is to check and balance all the elements of photography in that picture. For example, the lightning must not be too bright, the lightning must not be too dark. There are some other elements of photography like bokeh effect, in depth of field, focus, and a lot more, even following the rules of third and many more. Once you upload your pictures to the website, any of the websites you register for, the three specific people that are working with the computer, they will make sure that the pictures you are posting are not imposing copyright infringement, because all these things will reduce the amount of credibility the website will get. Lest I forget, you need to add tags that are specific to that picture. For example, look at this background now. If I take a picture of this place, this is a landscape photography. If I take the whole pictures of this place and I post it on that website after performing all the magic tricks, and the picture is looking beautiful, it's looking when I post it on that website, when I want to add a tag, I have to add a tag that will landscape photography, raining, because right now the rain is drizzling on me. What will make it come more earlier when people are searching for specific picture. Once user sees your image and feels like purchasing the image, once the internet user clicks the image, it will take the person straight to the website where your picture is. And once the person can buy the image, the money will be paid directly to that your account that is with the website. And the most beautiful part of this is that you can withdraw any amount as possible, starting from $5 upward. So that's what I'll be talking about today. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. If you find this video amazing, you find it enlightening, don't forget to share and tell a friend to tell a friend. Once again, my name is Ganu. Welcome to my YouTube channel.